guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I have a polka dot sleepover.
Ninong niya, binigyan siya ng gift na ito, yung our generation na
Polka dot sleepover.
Polka Dot Sleepover. So, from the vlog namin yesterday, sobrang excited nitong batang to. Natutulog ako today. Tapos, ginigising niya ako kasi daw hinihintay na raw ng mga viewers tong vlog niya today. Mga content guys. So, may pizza, may plates, may cupcake,
And
toothbrush.
bags. Some stuff right here. Like a little stuff.
What stuff? So, they have a blanket for the sleepover.
Yeah, and also a plates, pizza, muffins, toothbrush.
Ayan. Ayan yung pinabili ko kasi meron sana to si our generation na chair. Tapos meron ding curler and straightener. Kaso, face out na pala yun dahil since
Curler and
2016 pa pala yun. So, ayan siya.
And stapler.
Oh, ayan. Oh, sige na.
Make your hair hot.
You make your hair hot. No, I mean, it curls your hair. Okay, o sige na.
Yeah.
Ayan. O sige guys.
Wait, after I tangle the sticker.
Sige, tanggal. Ayan sa inyo guys. Unti-unti na niya talagang ginupit yan. Ayan o, yung mga thread. Para nga
Yeah,
malaro niya na
because I'm a
yesterday.
good cutter.
You are a good cutter. Oh my goodness. Okay. Sige guys. Buksan na natin. Oh, you talk. Diba? Ginigising mo si Mami. Just to be...
Yeah.
So guys, yun palang nakadikit is yung blanket.
Oh, okay, I will cut it because I'm allowed to use scissors.
Oh, careful ha. You might cut your skin. No, here, Amber. Ayan o. Ay, there.
I
Okay.
told you.
Oh, here. Oh, there. So, we're gonna remove this thing out.
And remove the sticker out of it.
Yeah. There is a tape. It's hard to remove.
It's okay, I can remove it because
Can you
remember,
just hold the box? Smile at the camera. There. Okay. Here's your toy. So, we're gonna...
open
throw
it.
this away.
Accessories.
Tapos guys, ang presyo nito parang nasa ano lang yata. Parang nasa, I don't know, may plus tax eh. Parang $24 yata plus tax.
Yay! It has everything.
How?
Where's my American girl misses her sisters?
Ayan ba talaga sister niya or ikaw? Is that you?
Nope.
No. Okay guys, successful na nating na remove ang everything. So may playing cards din. Pero actually wala siyang laman. Deck na lang siya na ayon, parang naka
There's inside something.
it's
There's
something
cards.
na. Ah?
Cards.
Are there cards inside?
Yeah, shake it.
May I see? Can you open it?
Take a second.
So yun nga guys, nakakatuwa kasi yung ano, yung toy, meron pa siya
Yes,
kunwari
there's
earphone.
cards.
Oh, there are cards, real cards.
Yeah.
Oh, I assume there's none.
There's a lot. You can. Let's see if you can tangle it.
Tangle it. May real cards nga. But you don't need to remove it ha. Baka mawala. Sayang, okay? You just use this one.
Smell the
Cupcake. Oh, I don't smell anything. So yun guys.
Brush to paste it.
Let's remove the scissor. Okay. Oh, you feed na your toy.
And now the shimmer.
Oh, yan. Ayun guys, kaya reason na bumibili din kami ng toys kasi at least hindi tablet ng tablet yung mga bata, di ba? Tapos, inaano niya, yun ganyan, nagpe-pretend siya, so para siyang may sister dahil only child ko pa lang si Amber. So, ganyan. Nakakatulong siya guys kasi sometimes, yung toys kasi sa iba parang splurge siya. Pero actually, kung ganyan naman, parang na-apply niya naman sa toy niya, well, ganun din, natatry niya rin sa sarili niya. Nagtututbrush din siya pag naliligo siya, ganun. So, nakakatuwa. Worth it bumili ng mga ganyan. Diba? Who knows, kung kunwari, meron kayong daughter, tapos, meron siyang little brother or little sister. So, at least na ano niya, diba? para natitake care niya rin yung kapatid niya. So, yun guys. I hope you like this video. Till our next vlog.
And also it has a charger.
Oh my goodness, we are gonna say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Don't forget to
Subscribe.
like and subscribe.
Bye. I'm
Like-
gonna play with my toy now.
Bye-bye. Kiss mo sila. Kiss mo sila. Blow kisses. Ooh, bye, guys.
I can whistle.
You can whistle. Like this, oh. Bye.